is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is Thursday, January the 23rd. Oh, I got an itch. We are going to be doing a set of nails today with a beautiful polish by Beetles. It's number 478. It is this luscious. I'm going to call it like a lipstick red. I like it. I already have a base coat on. This is a sub-brand of Modelones. It says so right there. So we've got that on the nail. No, shoot. Thought I spilled it all over really fast. So we are going to be applying this to the nails. One by one. And give us a good mani here for Thursday. This is a really, really nice red. Really like this. Whoops. Cap your nails. You don't want nothing showing through. Give you a nice coat. Don't forget to stay tuned this month for a Glitter Girls collaboration video coming out. There could be one, let me see, could be one coming tomorrow. Definitely will be one, I think, next week. I'm not 100% on that one yet, so don't hold me to it. Do not take it to the bank. We'll see. Meanwhile, I hope you like this when it comes to an end here today. I'm going to do a little bit of bling on these red nails. There we go, we've got our first coat done. No streaking, self levels, so they're good to go. I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30, and then I'm going to apply a second coat off camera. And I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Our nails are fresh out of the lamp. Sorry for the hobble and the bobble. Now we are going to top coat and add some gems. Some bling. I'm going to do it on 2 nails. As long as it works with me. As long as it works with me. Oh, wait a minute. Let me look real quick. Now we'll start. There's some top coat. This is what I use. I think I need a different bottle. Boy, now these big ones want to turn over. One nail at a time. go with the flow. I'm gonna pop this in the lamp. And we will do this other nail. Where did that go? Here we go. Sorry to make that noise, but sometimes things just don't work out the way you want them to, do they? Oh, shoot. This is our ring finger. I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails now. Get me a mount on the brush. Cap your nails. Normally, well, I'm very heavy-handed at things, I've realized. And I'm trying really, really hard not to be. So just float your brush over the nail. This bottle is almost empty. At the start, it's the fresh one. Okay. So using the light for 60. Here is our index and our ring finger. I thought I would stagger the gems. You know, like they are, halfway down the nail. I thought it was cute. I thought it was a cute idea. I figured, why not, you know? Why not? I figure I was just feeling it. So I figured that was what I was going to do. And again, that is this great polish by Beetles, number 478. Excuse me. It's like a lipstick red. Love, love, love the brand. I've just recently discovered them when I won a set, Christmas set, the Christmas collection from Pumpkin Sale Station. in one of her giveaways. So that's how I got introduced to that. That's how I found out about, oh, this one flipped over on me. The gem here at the corner flipped. Oh well. It happens, right? Well, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Please subscribe to my channel. This is the year I am trying to hit 1K. I'm at like 722. Please help me with that. Where my channel goes greatly depends on my audience. It depends on my product that I do put out also. But I'm hoping that if you do come through, you will subscribe to my channel. Click the all button under the bell. I mean, that's all I can ask is for your support. I don't know what that is. So, please do so. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you were here. Let's get to know one another a little bit. And I hope you liked the video. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.